Welcome to Birds of a Feather with Kenny Cloaca. On today's episode, we're going to talk about falconry. Falconry is the sport of hunting with falcons or other big birds of prey. So we're packing up and heading to my hometown of Atlanta, Georgia, where we're going to get to meet us a very special falcon. His name is Thor, and he was the original mascot for the Atlanta Falcons football team. But he was far too rambunctious and refused to be held in captivity, so the team donated him to a rescue center where they taught him to hunt.
Okay, so falconry is like two souls melding together. Do you understand? It's like the owner of the bird and the bird becoming one being, becoming one. It's so crazy. And Thor's owner just now sent him off to try and catch one of these little smaller birds around here that are infesting this area and becoming a nuisance. And he's going to bring him back some prey, and we're going to try and catch us a good few of it.
Oh,
Oh my God, Thor, I'm coming! Thor! Oh my goodness, no! Thor, are you serious? No! Ooh, yeah! We're eating good tonight, gentlemen. Yeah, falcon meat sticks. Gonna snap into it. Just like these Chiefs are gonna snap into these Falcons. Yeah, Chris Jones gonna take Kirk Cousins down to the ground. Hardcore styling while he's down there. Kareem Hunt's gonna kick him in his face. Welcome back, baby. Let's get this ring together. Let's make history. What do you say? Sing this with me. You know what time it is. Here's to the D. Here's to the O. Here's to the special teams that make us go. Oh, yeah. Here's to the Chiefs. The red, white, and gold. The tomahawk chop. Oh. Dig it, yeah. Very, very quiet. I'm Falcons.
Oh yeah, Super Chief come to slip you his meat stick. Savage size, can you dig it? Remember this chant, you fucking jabronis? Yeah! Here's to the D, here's to the O, here's to the special teams that make us go. Ow! Here's to the Chiefs, the red, white, and gold, the tomahawk chop. Hope you boys brought your tampons this year. Big Dick Patty's gonna stretch you out. Kansas City Chiefs, baby, we're coming for the repeat. Let's go, dig it!